Wow, hello. How long will you continue on the cage? How long will you continue on the 9 to 5 hours daily basis? You have to think. You have to start re-strategizing before times go against you. Welcome to Oyakilume Talk on Oyakilume TV. Today we are discussing on the cage called employment. Employment is not bad. Employment is not a crime. But I must tell you, there are some certain time it becomes a cage and automatically you become slave to your paycheck. You become slave to your mind. You become slave to your resource. You become slave to your stomach above all. But there is a way out. There is a way out. Remember, some of us were trained to go to school to get the best of grade. After getting grade, to do what? To get what? An employment. But I must tell you, it is a wrong programming because this programming will not be of beneficial to us. It will be beneficiary to the bank, to the employers, and to the government. Today, I see it as a modern day cage. A modern day cage. I want to be fair enough. Or a modern day slavery. Okay. Sometimes it snatch our comfort, it snatch our routine, even our inner passion that God has given to us. Our goal has been sold away because of what? Paycheck. Now, let's understand some of these things. What is the cage all about? What is this cage all about? Actually, employment is not evil. I must tell you the truth. I'm being employed also. Employment is not evil. But just for many, it becomes a trap. Employment at a point will becomes a trap. And this is why. This is why. It trades your time for paycheck. You are not trading your time that you are supposed to be using in setting up your own business for paycheck. Imagine someone spending 15 hours, 12 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours for someone else's dream, someone else's vision. Come on. When will you have your own time to create your own business? When will you have your own time to create your own, to transform your passion to wealth? Trading time for paycheck is a form of slavery. Job security. A lot of persons will be thinking of this illusion that if you are being employed, I have job security. Let me tell you, the company will sack you whenever they want to sack you. Even where some of us are working, we're having what we call life contract. Let me tell you, just a legal twist of a legal process, you will be sacked. So there is nothing like job security anywhere. The only job security that you have is the business that you are running for yourself. You are the security. If you are working under someone else, even if you are director, you are manager, whatever you are, there is no job security for you. You can be sacked at any time. You can be sacked at any time. And even if you are not sacked, naturally, maybe there's a disaster or something, the business may fold up automatically. Ciao, you're at home. Okay. Now, many persons have suppressed their dreams, their creativity, just to keep a paycheck. Why? Because of fear of the unknown. We'll look at that. You are building someone else's vision while neglecting your vision. You are building someone else's vision while you are neglecting your own vision. I want you to know this. I'm not telling you not to work, but I'm telling you to reconsider some certain work factors. Now, let's look at this again. Why must people stay stuck? Why are people stuck in this? Why are people saying, I must work, I must be employed? In this part of the environment I find myself, a lot of persons want to be employed by others. They are scared of taking their own personal risk. I was discussing with a friend. He has about 50 to 60, 70,000 euro in his account. I said, man, what are you doing with this money? He said, no, nothing. I said, you can use this money to create wealth and create more persons and employ people. No, the guy said, no, I can't take the risk. Why? Because it's fear of the unknown. Fear of the unknown makes a lot of us to remain where we are. Fear of failure. Who told you you will succeed? Wow. Like I was saying, social expectations. Staying in the cage of employment keeps you from building wealth, freedom, and impact. Proverbs 18 says, a man's gift will make room for him and bring him before great men. Proverbs 18 verse 16. That is, every man is deposited with a gift that is supposed to transform into wealth. So if your gift is being caged by your paycheck, you will not achieve it. So you must know this. So let's talk about the way out. That is the most important stuff. Let's talk about the way out. What is the way out? The way out, I will be sharing 5 steps for you. Now, 5 possible ways to start breaking free from the cage called employment. 1, it is very important. Develop high income skills. In today's world, we should teach ourselves more on learning digital skills, computer-oriented skills, design, communication, just like as I'm doing now. I may not be having the money today, but time is coming, I will make more money from what I'm doing. This is investment. Time is coming. Just like it if you believe. Now, marketing, computing, coding, these are high-level digital skill that is necessary to break out from what the cage called employment. 2, you must learn to start what I call side hustle. If you are working, have a side hustle, like use your evening. If you are running shift, morning, afternoon, try to have something else doing, no matter how small it is. No matter how small it is, start something that is being registered under your name. Create multiple streams of income. Do anything to make money. Anything legally what permits to make money. Positive things though. Okay. Invest in personal growth. I would like you to subscribe to our videos on this. For you to be able to get out of this cage, you need intentional commitment in your day-to-day life process. Shalom. I still remember my humble self. EVG, DMUE, Oya Kilome RXL.